To activate GitHub Copilot free in Visual Studio Code, just click on the little GitHub icon right here in your title bar. This will open the sidebar and then click the Sign In to use Copilot for free button. All you need is a GitHub login. No payment information, no subscription, it just works. And now you've got GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot adds AI to every part of VS Code. From completing your thoughts as you code to refactoring, you can even use chat right alongside your code. Watch the changes stream in right in your editor as GitHub Copilot helps you write code faster than ever before. And you can even try out different models as you go. There's nothing quite like watching Copilot write the code that was just on the tips of your fingers, or helping you prototype that login form with a design that you just love. We hope you enjoy GitHub Copilot free, and as always, happy coding.